What's going on, moto vlogging world? This is Moto Bisquick. This is my first upload of the moto vlogging channel, and today I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to do a spark plug change on the two-stroke 125 dirt bike. So first we got our brand new spark plug here on the left, which for most two-stroke 125s, for my 02 YZ 125, it's a BR9 or BR80G. BR80G, I think it burns higher than a BR90G, which is normally what they get. But I meant, if I can, I like to try to run racing spark plugs. I don't know. I mean, it's a little bit of a power difference. Can't really tell too much, but yeah. So what we've done so far is we've taken the gas tank off of the bike. Here, the gas tank, the screw holes or whatever you want to call them. And we got the gas tank over there. So we're taking the gas tank off just to make it easier to access the spark plug, which is going to be right here in the top of your cylinder. Top of your cylinder. The spark plug most likely is going to, be in here, screwed in. That's not all the way screwed in, but it's going to have your cap on it like this. The cap's going to be on there like that. One thing you do want to make sure when you put your spark plug back in is that when you press the cap down, it clicks, or it's down all the way. But it's going to be on there like that, so you just won't want to pop it off. And then I got myself a nice little pair of pliers right here. You can use a wrench or socket or whatever you want to use, and break your spark plug loose. And it's time. It was definitely time for a spark plug change. If your spark plug looks anything like this, see, it's kind of burnt. Let's see if I can focus on it. There we go. See? It's kind of burnt, black, oily. I meant it's fouled out. Brand new spark plug. See, it's got that nice white tip right there, and then it's all nice and shiny looking. So now all you're gonna want to do is just take your new spark plug, screw it right into the cylinder head like so. Want to make sure that you're not cross-threading or anything. Make sure it screws in real nice and easy. It should screw in fairly easy. Screw it all the way down. Always make sure that little washer right there, that other way. Always make sure that little washer right there in the bottom is there, always. And then just screw it down as tight as you can with your hand. And then you want to take, like I said, I got my pair of pliers right here. I'm just gonna put them on there and then just give it a couple little turns just to make sure it's locked down really tight. Really want to make sure it's locked down tight, because that could be a power loss issue. You could be losing compression if your spark plug isn't all the way down, if it isn't tightened all the way. Which means if you're losing compression, that means you're losing power. And nobody wants to lose power unless you like riding slow. Okay, so I got my spark plug tightened down. Now I'm about to throw my cap back on there. And see, I got it on there now. You want to make sure that you really get this cap down on there tight. Here, I'll remove it and then put it back on there again, just so y'all can see, little tiny click. Make sure it's all the way on there. And then that's all. And then after that, you just throw your gas tank back on there, and you should be good to go. I'm gonna throw the gas tank back on there, and then we're gonna give her a quick start up. Okay guys, we got the tank back on the bike. Got the tank back on the bike and everything. This is an 01 tank, but the bike is an 02. I'm gonna get her started here. I'm gonna hand the camera off to my little cousin Modog18. He has a gamer channel. Check him out. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Here we go. We're gonna give her a quick start. Let's see. So she'll start first kick for us. New spark plug. going around this way.